if you saw the service video to this Murphy D CBH1500, which, as I've said many times, is a Spirit 40F transportable in a big box. We've shown that before, shown them side by side. So it isn't a dedicated base station, but a hand portable with a power supply. And they were sold by Great Universal Mail Order Catalogue. Roundabout, they weren't in the first run. They were like 82, 83. So this has been in before. It came in about 5 years ago, and we sorted it all out. And the customer has decided to change all the capacitors or the electrolysis. He's done an 11 out of 10 job. It's very, very good. And he's upgraded the power supply one to 4700. Now, the power supply capacitor is 1000 on these normally, and we put in 2200. Now 4700 is absolutely as far as I would take it, because you can end up with surge problems with diodes and things. But anyway, so does it hum? We're going to find out, because you know what, the last one didn't. But it doesn't mean that doesn't mean this won't. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger Dodger, I'm ready.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio we've not got a tone control.
Yep, roger that. Let you know doggy daycare's in use.
Oh, Roger. I'll make sure we show that on the video.
There's not much to see this time. It looks like they just tailgates open. I think they're getting the dog out. There's no dog or person walking yet. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Just let you know doggy daycare's in use. Lancaster service station 133.9 and 142.9.
Roger on that.
Through, or passing through, Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, you're going through Lancaster Crossroads.
Top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger that. What's the hum like on this?
No hum.
Great, that's two with no hum.
Oh right, it must be one of them things that comes in, is it York 867 or a Murphy or something like that?
Yeah, you'll soon hear.
21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, I've now got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, I've now got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Murphy CBH1500 base station, which, as we've said before, is a Spirit 40F transportable in a big box with a power supply, and it's doing full 4 watt output.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Roger, on that. The customer done a recap and he's done a really good job of it.
Roger that. Level crossing. Over.
Roger, got your Wilsford level crossing.
Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you the 5 mile point. I'm on this Murphy CBH1500 base station. I'm on a standard replacement microphone. The radio's doing 4 watts output. It does have low power, but it's factory set, and it's 210 milliwatts. There we go into low power. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there we are back on full power. Over.
Yep, roger that. No problems on full power. Predictably on low power. I could tell you were there, but I couldn't tell anything you were saying.
Roger on that. Okay, off you go when you're ready.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger on that.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, 130.9 and 144.7.
Excellent. Well, this has really worked very well. So thank you.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me today at that end, please, over?
Yep, 113.9 and 144.7.
Excellent. Well, this has really worked very well, so thank you.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10. Well, I thought the last one we did, the one which was donated and we sold, I thought that was the best Murphy CBH1500, but I wouldn't say the recaps made much difference to like the receiver. It's 0.49 microvolts for 12 decibel cyanide. The manufacturer, let's just see what they say, because I did print off the original sheet. This is from the instruction book. It says it's supposed to do 0.5 for 12 decibels, and it's doing 0.49, so it came in doing 0.61. So it actually does what it says on the tin. So there you go. The big issue with this, really, apart from it being off frequency, I've changed the reference crystal. The big issue with this was the squelch, and doing the recaps altered the IF alignment slightly. So of course he was right to ask me to sort that out. So there we go. Just bear that in mind. You know, you can't just change all the capacitors and expect all the tuning to be the same, because it won't. So we'll go over to our base station, see what this sounds like on our standard replacement mic into our Midland 76900 base station.
Tango 21 testing the Murphy CBH1500 base station into our Midland 76900. So we're looking for hum, which these do suffer from. So the customer's changed the power supplies and power supply capacitors as well as others, and it looks like it's eliminated it. So we'll go over to low power. That will clinch it, because now on low power doing 210 milliwatts there won't be a hum. Back to full power and there will be a hum if there's going to be. So there you are, Murphy CBH1500, probably the best one I've seen. Thanks for watching.